give me a lot of idea how to interact with my employee and improve my stuff.
وشكرا لك وبين أهلك وأصحابك في راس خيمة.
Really, it was amazing and I learned a lot and I will go to practice this in my workstation.
I would say that the training for the 2 days was very good. Thanks to you, Don.
Hi everyone, we just finished an international training for these beautiful people in Julphar Pharma right here in Ras Al Khaimah in this amazing resort called the DoubleTree by Hilton. So I will just ask my wonderful participants about their feedback on about the training, if they liked something, if they did not like, if they have any suggestions, whatever. They're free to say whatever they want. So I'll just take over this camera. And who wants to go first? Okay, you? All right.
It's a great workshop. We'll never forget it.
Thank you so much.
It's a valuable training. Give me a lot of idea how to interact with my employee and improve my stuff. And we are waiting in future for more sessions.
That's the best thing you said.
I really appreciate this opportunity to be part of it, and I really, on my other teammates' behalf, I would like to thank you for this opportunity, and I would recommend this kind of a training for my other colleagues as well who did not make it. Still appreciate what you have done. I've learned a lot, and definitely I'll be taking it over and I will share it with the team.
Wow, thank you. Amazing.
Thank
you.
It's a wonderful training program, and I would definitely recommend the training to my colleagues. And in future, I would like to participate in more trainings, such a kind of trainings.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Don, for your training. Really, it was amazing and I learned a lot and I will go to practice this in my workstation. Thank you so much, Mr. Don.
Thank you. I have just a last request. When you guys are, speaking in Arabic, it sounds so beautiful. Can you say something in Arabic for, people watching this from all over the world? Anything in your own language?
شكرا مستر دون.
يا
شكرا بجد انبسطنا وكان تريننج ممتاز وتعلمنا منه حاجات كتير قوي وان شاء الله نقدر نطبق ده في المستقبل ونشوفك في المستقبل في محاضرات جايه كتير. شكرا ليك جدا. Thank you so much.
I agree to whatever you said. And you ma'am, a little bit.
شكرا دون وشكرا لك وبين أهلك وأصحابك في راس خيمة.
Thank you.
شكرا مستر دون. شكرا فور للتدريب الممتاز.
شكرا كثير على البوزيتيف ثوت اللي انت اعطيتنا اياها. شكرا كثير.
Thank you. You want to say something?
No, I am not in Arabic.
I know you're not Arab. But in your own language.
In my own language.
Yeah.
ఇది ఒక గ్రేట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. ఇందులో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
Yes, and just like behind every success story there is always an unsung hero, and we have an unsung hero with us, the man, the myth, the legend who made everything happen, from discovering me to from designing this program. He gave me such pain. But the program became so good with the the post and everything, the journey. I mean, it's my great blessing that I got somebody like him, because with his intensive feedback, it took me to a different level. Honestly, I tell you, I am not joking. He gave me such pain and it just elevated me to a different level. So thank you. What's your feedback with everything within also, about yourself, and about us while designing, about the participants, how were they? If you could share anything, just 2 lines.
Well, I would say that for our participants, it was very important for me to make this learning journey a true learning journey where they can learn and bring some value addition into their work and into their profession as well. And that was the whole objective.
Yeah.
And I hope that to large an extent we are able to achieve that as well. But let's see. I mean, as I said, that any training is unsuccessful till the time the learning is not implemented at the workplace.
That's right.
So let's see how it goes. But I would say that the training for the 2 days was very good. Thanks to you, Don. Maybe
successful. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope that my participants, they are taking some key takeaways from this training program, and I'm very optimistic that they're definitely going to implement this.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Always keep me in your prayers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. You are awesome as well. Thank you. Thank you.